When planning a large-scale advertising campaign, professionals often face the challenge of estimating budget for placing articles or links across hundreds of platforms. Manually checking the cost of each website individually is time-consuming and labor-intensive, slowing down the entire preparation process for the campaign launch. To address this challenge, our platform offers two proven methods for bulk analysis. You can choose the tool that best aligns with your current goals, whether it's a quick market snapshot or a deep-depth analysis. It's all possible with us. Let's go ahead and dive deeper to see how it all works. This is our profile. If you don't have an account, create one. Super simple. Head to our website. At the top right corner, there's a sign up button. Click it, and you're all locked and loaded for success. First tool, it's called Use Bulk Search. You would need to use this tool if you want to analyze, conduct initial analysis of a particular industry, or compare prices across different industries. It can be marketing, can be IT, software development, web services, can be agriculture, for instance. If you want to check the basic budget, approximate, you would use this tool. If you want to check your rival strategy, you can copy paste the list of their referring domains, and it will provide you with details on their approximate budgets. So possible. Let's dive deeper, see how it all works here. In this box, we would need to copy paste this particular list of websites. You can upload a file. That doesn't have to be a copy paste. It can be TXT or CSV file. This file that I'm talking about, you can get from Ahrefs, let's say, or other platforms. Just copy paste a link of your rival, perhaps leader of that particular industry or niche. Maybe you would like to get into a new location, and there's an elephant, that unicorn that you admire, and you want to be like. Copy paste this link of their company, and you will end up with this list of referring domains. You can export this list. It will look something like this. This is our own research, our own selves. Let's copy a few websites and paste them into this box. We'll click check. And what the system is now doing is cross-referencing our more than 300,000 media outlets with what I just copy-pasted to see what we have available under the hood for publications. So we can see we have 6 out of the 30. I pasted 30 websites. We can compare prices here. We have few media sellers that offering publication in these sources. On the right hand side, we have domain rankings, additional parameters like trust levels, backlinks. You can filter and sort by many of those details like traffic, yet again, domain rankings, prices. It's all possible. On the top, we have 3 important parameters. We have domains that we have available from that list. Out of 30, we have 6. Average price of each publication, approximately 185.72 cents as well. And total value to conduct this whole campaign. Why is this important? It's important when we conduct planning to allocate funds. We've got to present it to a marketing department, to stakeholders, for review, so proper funds can be allocated to conduct this push for this marketing campaign. Second one is more of a strategic approach. It's used for a more precise research. It's project, and we have advanced filters there. We can create new project or open an existing one. We'll open existing project. We have whitelists here and blacklists. What whitelists do is something similar that we have just done. You copy paste the list, and it will only show you websites that we have available from our database of 300,000 for publications. So out of those 30, we had 6. It will show us same thing. It will cross-reference it. Blacklist will exclude the websites. So if we conduct this analysis on ourselves, we would use blacklists, copy paste that list here, and this will exclude the websites. So we don't have to double or triple publish ourselves. We can do the same thing here. We can click TED or another publication, let's say this one, and we can exclude them. We can click on the blue button at the top called Hide, and this will exclude them. They added to the used list. So, to the filters now. Why is this important? This provides precision. We can pick the countries. If we want to run our marketing campaign, let's say it will be United States. Let's say it will be Canada. We can pick industry. So category, which is industry, let's say it will be finance. We'll choose it. We can also choose domain ranking. Let's say it has to be higher than 50. We can select price. Let's say it has to be no more than $1,000 per publication. We can apply more traffic, trust levels, languages, so possible. For now, let's go with this. Let's roll with this. And we see we have 181 publications, media outlets available. Why do we need to use filters? Aside from precision and strategy, for recurring users. So if we run a marketing campaign, we can come back here. We can, after we publish ourselves, we can hide few publications. Let's say we get published in the first 3, we will tackle them and we will hide them. So we can work and focus all of our attention on the rest of them. This list is exportable. You can click this button and export it to sheet. We can yet again filter it by traffic levels, domain, rankings, so possible here. By prices, of course, we have additional details on the right-hand side. We can compare prices easily, select our media seller, and place an order. We have it all available here for you. It's super simple to use the system. Yet, if you do have questions, reach out to us. We can meet. I'll be more than happy personally meet with you. Just click on this blue button at the bottom right corner of the screen, book demo. Pick your date, pick your time, and we will meet. All of your questions will be answered. I will help you with strategy. We've been doing this for 20 years. We know it A to Z. We've seen everything. Write us an email as well. We have chat. We respond very fast, even on the weekends. We add your services. And we do provide marketing services as well. We have outreach team, copywriting team. We do everything from link building up to professional public relation campaigns. Thank you for watching. Good luck and bye-bye for now.